Hi folks, this is Jennifer here. Welcome back to my channel Beauty and Lifestyle. So today I'm in Panjim and it's a very beautiful city in Goa, you all know. So I found out very beautiful Lucknowi authentic restaurant. So let's see inside the ambience and the taste of the food. So as you enter this, you will see a nice board, the history of I guess this restaurant, and then as you enter the right side you can see the nice authentic look of Nawabi kind of feeling you will get, and see this architecture, the feel of Mughal type you'll feel all around. So this is a like a family get together, only space for two tables and like I think 4 to 8 chairs, so you can have a family space time for your special ones in this kind of cabins. So I think there are two cabins, and because I have already visited Lucknow and my dad is an army officer, so we already traveled Lucknow, so I know the feel of restaurant in Lucknow. So you can feel exactly the same kind. And near this wash basin, you will not feel bored because you will see this all collectors painting out here. It's a very very beautiful, uh, you know, designed restaurant. The flooring is also inspired by the Mughal and Lucknowi type feeling. As you enter, you'll feel it. And backside, as you enter the main corridor, you will see backside there's a beautiful kitchen out here. And then as you enter, there's a main sitting area, and the main sitting area is like a AC sitting area, and you can see all kind of authentic shahi, all this kind of designs here. And the ceiling is fully like a Mughal inspired one. Their side you have a bar, of course you're in Goa so you'll enjoy beer. And then as you come more inner, just near this Nurja painting and Nawab painting, as you will come just passing this painting, you will enter a very very beautiful airy kind of space. This is something different, like in every restaurant you have a airy and smoking area outside, like as you enter. But in this type of restaurant, it's like a first you have a nice dining and eating time of AC kind of thing, and then as you enter inside more space you will have more privacy setting in this kind of open air, very airy kind of ambience. It's a very beautiful. If you can notice, there are lamps on the wall, and there's a proper olden type of lamps, and you can enjoy that kind of lamps, because I used to see when in olden times we used to get any restaurant or get that feeling type of olden kind of feel out here. So it was very airy, the ventilation was very good, the air was passing just through, and there were a lot of windows out there. So I prefer to sit here, because outside there were a lot of people out there, a lot of families out here. So I prefer this place open. I love open dining. So let's check it out, the food. So I have ordered very nice handi mutton. This is very nice, very authentic. And then you have a rumali roti and ulta tawa paratha, and this is kebab. So let's open this dum handi. It's very nice, very beautiful. And as you enter, you'll get you are served with papad, and then there's a plating menu. So this is a different type of basil mojito. So if you're in Goa, you try out, especially in this restaurant, if you visit, you try kokum, kokum mojito also you will find. And this is a, copper glass they serve water you in. So let's open this handi mutton. Just check it out. Yes, friends, now the surprise comes here. It's a handi mutton nihari. Yes, you must have heard this very, very, yummy, mouth-watering dish in UP, Lucknow. This is nihari. It's very, very famous. So I wanted to keep it for the the surprise to get open. Let's taste this thing. It's very special in Lucknow, so I know the taste. So I'm going to taste out here in Goa. So I asked them, do you have a Lucknowi cook? Yes, they said they have cooks from Lucknow and Delhi. So they serve this kind of authentic dum mutton nihari and then rumali roti. But I'm having with ulta tawa paratha. And let's taste it. Oh wow, this tastes nice, authentic, very like similar what I have in Lucknow. I had in Lucknow. So now here we can taste the kebab. This was chicken. This is chicken kebab, and this was really, really very nice. So I really enjoyed this thing. I hope you will also enjoy eating in this restaurant. So you can have a look and change your taste buds to Lucknowi kind of food. See you. Okay, now I have done with my dinner. So now I'm having, check it out. Yes, it's very famous in Lucknow. That is gulab jamun with rabdi. In Lucknow also you will get jalebi with rabdi. So this is a matka kulfi, which is also very famous in Lucknow. So if you can enjoy this kind of things in Goa, what else you can want? Oh my God. So let's taste this. How I know you, you must be getting watery feeling in your mouth, but let us taste this together. Okay. So, what are we waiting for? Let's taste. So, here you go. So, the gulab jamun is quite fresh, very spongy, very tasty. The taste of the gulab jamun is very different if you eat in the roads of Goa, like other shops in Goa. It's totally different. You can taste it out here. And matka kulfi is also very different. It's very spongy and smoothie like. It's like a smoothie kulfi. It's not like a regular kulfi. So you will definitely enjoy. It's not that very sweet, but a perfect balance of sugar and sweet. So I hope you enjoyed this. So now I have done with my sweet also and my dinner also. So this is a parcel time. Since I love the food of handi, so I ordered for my family also. So the best thing is like when you order, you will get the same handi which they serve to you on table. यस आपको वही हंडी मिलेगी जो आपको सर्व किया हुआ है टेबल पे. इसका मतलब है आपको प्लास्टिक में डाल के नहीं देंगे वो लोग, वो आपको हंडी पूरी दे देंगे घर ले जाने के लिए. प्लस यहाँ पर जब आप बिल मांगोगे तो आपको लखनऊ तरीके से वो आपको बिल देंगे इस तरीके के बॉक्स में. बहुत अच्छे तरीके से सर्व करेंगे. यू कैन ओपन इट और आपका बिल यहाँ पर होगा. प्लस दे विल सर्व यू विद गुड एंड सॉफ्ट. सो इन लखनऊ गुड देना शुभ माना जाता है, तो वो लोग हमेशा गुड